take a look at these. Do you know to what animal these feet belong? Look at this one. Whose feet are they? Hey, you got that one right. Keep looking. What about this one? And this one? Well done! Okay, what's the first sound that you hear when I say feet? Number 2, feet. Excellent! The twins that stick together. One more. E, back to the yellow ones. T. Yes, I know, they're just letters. But I want you to think of them as if they were twin sisters. And usually, they stick together. So in the case of E, don't separate them by putting E on the back. Keep them together. One more time. E, t, feet. This is the part that I need for you to remember. The twins stick together. Guys, is there really anything better than spelling with glitter? This is so satisfying. Okay, step 1. Ta-da! Let's begin. Now cover up that baby. Wait until it dries. How beautiful. Have I ever told you that I love messing around with glitter? 'Cause I do. Okay, let's sound it out together. Touch it on the screen with your fingers. E, t. And that, my friends, is one way of spelling E. Thanks for watching another one.